Yo, homies, it's only me here right now. We're gonna go on a ride to go somewhere. It's gonna be probably pretty fun. I'm gonna show you what it is gonna be like, and I'm gonna give you some road ride tips. So I'm getting my coat right now, especially since it's winter. In 2026, and it's February, and the 21st is one of my friend's birthdays, and also my mom's birthday, and my brother's is on the 31st.
Another 8-hour-long video.
And it's gonna be pretty fun, and you're gonna see something beautiful.
Hold on, let me buckle my shoes. In there.
It's gonna be pretty fun.
Getting sugar cookies?
And that's my dad there.
He's actually